Summary of Change Your Thinking, Change Your Life by Brian Tracy, designed for B2 English learners. The summary is clear, practical, and easy to follow. Introduction: Why this book matters. Change Your Thinking, Change Your Life by Brian Tracy is a guidebook for anyone who wants to improve their life by changing the way they think. Brian Tracy believes your thoughts shape your actions and your actions shape your results. If you learn to think positively, set clear goals, and take responsibility for your life, you can achieve anything you want, whether it's better health, more money, stronger relationships, or greater happiness. This book is helpful because it gives you step-by-step advice and real-life examples. It teaches you how to turn negative thoughts into positive ones, how to overcome fear, and how to create the life you dream of. The lessons are simple, but very powerful. 1. The power of thought. You become what you think about most of the time. Brian Tracy says, your thoughts are like seeds. If you plant positive thoughts, you get positive results. If you plant negative thoughts, you get negative results. This is the main idea of the book. Your mind is powerful. Your brain is not just for thinking, it's also for creating your future. The law of attraction. If you focus on good things, you attract good things. If you focus on problems, you attract more problems. Self-fulfilling prophecy. If you believe you can succeed, you will try harder and find ways to win. If you believe you will fail, you won't try and you'll give up quickly. Example: Anna always said, "I'm not good at English." She never practiced, so she didn't improve. When she changed her thinking to, "I can learn English," she started practicing and got better. 2. Take responsibility for your life. If it's to be, it's up to me. Brian Tracy says you must take full responsibility for your life. Don't blame your parents, your boss, or your country. You are the president of your life. Stop blaming others. When you blame, you give away your power. Be proactive. Don't wait for things to change. Make changes yourself. Learn from mistakes. Every failure is a lesson. The faster you fail, the faster you learn and succeed. 3. Example: Carlos wanted a better job. He stopped blaming the economy and started learning new skills. Soon, he found a new job. 3. Change your beliefs. Your beliefs shape your reality. If you believe you can do something, you will find a way. If you believe you can't, you won't even try. Law of belief. Whatever you believe with conviction becomes your reality. 3. Challenge self-limiting beliefs. Many people believe things like, "I'm not smart," or "I can't be rich." These beliefs are not facts, they are just thoughts. Empower yourself. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Say, "I am capable," or "I deserve success." Example: Maria believed she was too old to start a business. After reading the book, she changed her belief and opened a bakery at age 50. 4. The law of attraction. You are a living magnet. You attract into your life the people, ideas, and opportunities that match your dominant thoughts. 3. Focus on what you want, not what you fear. Visualize your goals. Picture yourself achieving your dreams every day. Practice gratitude. Be thankful for what you have, and you'll attract more good things. Example: Ahmed wanted to become a manager. He visualized himself in the role, acted confidently, and soon got promoted. 5. Set clear goals. The 7-step method. Brian Tracy believes that clear goals are the key to success. Here's his simple, powerful method. 1. Decide exactly what you want. Be specific. I want to save $5,000, not just, "I want more money." 2. Write it down. Goals become real when you put them on paper. 3. Set a deadline. I will save $5,000 by December 31st. 4. Make a list of steps. What do you need to do? Save $100 per week, cut expenses, etc. 5. Organize your list. Put the most important steps first. 6. Take action immediately. Start now, even with a small step. 7. Do something every day. Consistency is the secret to achieving big goals. 3. Example. Lena wanted to learn English. She wrote her goal, made a study plan, and practiced every day. In 1 year, she spoke English confidently. 6. Overcome fear and doubt. Fear is the biggest obstacle to success. Most people are afraid of failing, looking stupid, or being rejected. Brian Tracy teaches that you must act even when you are afraid. Face your fears. Ask, what's the worst that can happen? It's usually not as bad as you think. 3. Take action. Action reduces fear. The more you do, the braver you feel. Learn from failure. Every mistake is a lesson, not a disaster. Example. Tom was afraid to speak in public. He joined a speaking club, made mistakes, and got better. Now, he speaks with confidence. 7. The law of substitution. You can only think one thought at a time. If you think a negative thought, you can replace it with a positive one. Practice positive self-talk. When you catch yourself thinking, I can't do this, say, I can do this if I try. Use affirmations. Repeat phrases like, I like myself, I am confident, or I am successful. Visualize success. Picture yourself succeeding, not failing. Example. Sophie used to think, I always make mistakes. She started saying, I learn from my mistakes, and her confidence grew. 8. Forgiveness and letting go. Holding on to anger or resentment hurts you, not the other person. Brian Tracy says, forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. Forgive others. Let go of past hurts so you can move forward. Forgive yourself. Everyone makes mistakes. Learn and move on. Release negative emotions. Don't let anger or guilt control your life. Example. David was angry at his old boss. After forgiving him, David felt lighter and was able to focus on his new job. 9. Develop a growth mindset. Believe you can improve with effort. A growth mindset means you see challenges as opportunities to learn, not as threats. Embrace challenges. Try new things, even if they are difficult. Learn from feedback. Use criticism to get better, not to feel bad. Never stop learning. Read books, take courses, and ask questions. Example. Priya failed her first English test. Instead of giving up, she studied harder and passed the next one. 10. Manage your time. Wisely. Time is your most valuable resource. Successful people use their time well. The 80-20 rule. 20% of your activities give you 80% of your results. Focus on the most important tasks. Plan your day. Make a list of what you need to do and start with the hardest task. Avoid distractions. Turn off your phone or social media when working. 1. Example. Mark wanted to write a book. He wrote for 30 minutes every morning before work. After 6 months, he finished his first draft. 11th. Build strong relationships. The people around you affect your success. Choose your friends and colleagues carefully. Surround yourself with positive people. They will support and inspire you. Be a good listener. People like those who listen to them. Show appreciation. Say, thank you, often. Example. Anna made new friends in her English class. They practiced together and all improved quickly. 12th. Take care of your health. Good health gives you energy for success. Exercise regularly. Even a short walk helps. Eat healthy food. Avoid too much sugar or junk food. Get enough sleep. Your brain and body need rest. Example, Maria started walking every day and eating more vegetables. She felt better and had more energy to study. 13. Practice gratitude. Being thankful attracts more good things. Brian Tracy suggests writing down 3 things you are grateful for every day. Focus on what you have, not what you lack. Say thank you to others. Appreciate small things: a sunny day, a good meal, a friendly smile. Example, Ahmed wrote in his gratitude journal every night. He felt happier and more positive. 14. Learn from others. Find mentors and role models. You can learn from people who have already succeeded. Read books and listen to talks. Ask for advice from successful people. Copy good habits. If you want to be fit, do what fit people do. Example, Carlos wanted to start a business. He asked a successful shop owner for advice and learned what to do. 15. Take action. Now, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start working on your goals today, even if you start small. Action creates momentum. The more you do, the easier it gets. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every step teaches you something. Celebrate progress. Reward yourself for small wins. Example, Lena wanted to improve her English. She started by learning 5 new words a day. After a year, she knew over 1,800 new words. Conclusion. The biggest lessons. Change your thinking, change your life. Teaches us that our thoughts are powerful tools. If you want to change your life, start by changing your beliefs and your attitude. Take responsibility, set clear goals, and take action every day. Don't let fear or negative thinking stop you. Surround yourself with positive people, keep learning, and never give up. Remember, you are in control of your thoughts. You can learn new skills at any age. Small steps lead to big results. Gratitude and forgiveness make life happier. Your future depends on what you do today. Start today. Think positively, act bravely, and you will change your life for the better. I learned from this book that my thoughts shape my entire life. How I feel, what I do, and who I become. I realized that if I want to change my life, I have to start by changing the way I think. This book taught me that positive thinking isn't just about being happy all the time. It's about believing in myself, setting clear goals, and taking action every day. I learned that I can choose my thoughts, and with that power, I can build a better future. It helped me understand that success begins in the mind, and with the right mindset, almost anything is possible.
Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. We think you'll love it. And don't forget to follow us for more easy English and amazing book summaries. See you soon!